If it's made out of sheet metal, Tempco can probably make it. I get to see a huge variety of parts. When you're going in and out of a building that's got a push bar door, we make almost the entire assembly. A generator outside of a building or on a trailer, we make the covers that go over the controls on those generators. Firearms parts, stuff that is used on battlefields for the defense of the country throughout the world. We make almost the entire case for a centrifuge. Every day I see something different.
Tempco is a short to medium run stamping house. We're a job shop, so we manufacture parts per our customers' blueprints. Tempco began in 1945 by my grandfather and my grandmother. My grandpa was a die maker and he was unhappy at that shop, so he went on his own. Tempco went from starting in a garage to a small building on Lake Street in Minneapolis. And then in the 60s, my grandfather bought a piece of farmland where we're sitting today. 1965, we moved into this building. My grandfather was a very talented die maker. He could make anything, and then my grandmother was good in finance. So I think that combination worked well. They had two boys, so my father and my uncle went to the business after high school and ran it for 40-some years. Now Philip and I and my sister own the company. I consider this a true family company. We have a lot of long-term customers, some for 50 years. We don't have a lot of turnover and we don't have people coming and going all the time. We've had people work here for 50 years, so it must be a nice place to work. Quality is extremely important for our customers. We take it very seriously.
The commitment starts with our processes and procedures. Our quality management system is certified to AS9100 and ISO 13485. One is an aerospace standard and one is a medical product standard. Both of them are very demanding industries, so to have those certifications allows our customers to know that we know what we're doing.
We get recertified every couple of years. Very important to have these certifications because you can't get in the door if you don't.
All the parts that we make are made to specific prints and specifications, and in many cases the parts will not be usable if we don't meet the quality requirements. We want to be on the cutting edge of technology. Current technology that we use at Tempco makes our jobs more interesting simply because we have so much more power at our fingertips. We have so much more control over everything we do, and we have repeatability, and we can do things that were virtually impossible 30 years ago, and we can do them in a short period of time.
We invest millions a year in new equipment, CNC equipment, new lasers, turrets, water jet. It's an exciting place to be.
We have a laser that cuts out metal parts. Oh, that's like space age, right? It's critical to our success that we make quality product. We have the highest level of equipment, the highest level of inspection, we have the highest level of operators. We're perpetually looking for continuous improvement. That's just everyday business at Tempco.
Quality means a quality part delivered on time.
Doing our best every day.
Making parts that meet all specifications and meet all customer deadlines.
Producing great products in a timely manner.
The best products on time, every time.
Quality means having the latest cutting-edge technology.
At Tempco, we stand for quality.
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 At Tempco, we stand for quality.